In this video, we're going to be covering the assisted bent knee Copenhagen plank. The main purpose of this exercise is to start our progression series towards the Copenhagen plank, which can be done statically or dynamically in different variations. But ultimately, the purpose of this is to help strengthen the inner thigh and the adductor muscles. So for this variation, we're going to be requiring a bench of some kind so that we can place the top thigh and leg on top of. So the setup here, we're going to start with a bent knee position on top of our bench surface. So what I'm looking for is about a 90-ish degree bend here through the knee joint itself, so I can adjust my position using my hands and my forearm before I actually begin the isometric hold. So once I feel I'm relatively about 90 degrees and I have some good contact here with that inner thigh on top of my bench or my surface, I'm going to make sure that that bottom leg is extended straight out and is planted onto the floor. So this leg can actually push onto the ground here as a means of assistance. Now my upper body itself, I'm going to ensure that I'm in that plank position, the elbow is slightly away from the shoulder, either under or slightly away, but not too close towards us. I'm going to create a fist, about a 90-degree bend here, and I can push the ground away with that elbow and the forearm. Once I'm in this position, I'm then going to focus on creating some tension and pressure downwards with the inner thigh, while at the same time raising my hips and my rib cage up towards the ceiling while keeping the head stacked over the shoulders. Once I'm there, I can even use that bottom leg to help assist and lift myself up. And I'm going to feel some tension generating on the inner thigh. And as we hold this position, we're going to focus on breathing through it. So slowly inhaling through the nose for 2 to 5 seconds. Nice and easy exhale through the mouth. Extending those exhales. We're going to try and maintain this position as best as we can for the prescribed duration.